Good more earnings, traders. I am Heidi Guerrero. I am your new manager and leader of Precise Planning. Let us talk about the new advantage of Precise Planning. Being a manager and leader, it is advantage for us because it will grow rapidly our team because of the new mechanism, and of course it will increase more earnings to us. The 7 days program, it is to create or list all our prospect, including our family, and gather table, talk presentations of the list, and let them see the goodness of the trending program. Teach and duplicate your team so that it will rapidly increase more subordinates and create more trainings for them to equip. Study and analyze the result of the program and continue the process as it is effective, and then it will increase earnings week by week. Again, I'm your manager and leader, Heidi Guerrero. Good more earnings.